The base is designed size-wise to be able to accommodate any parts off of a F770 and an F900, as well as any smaller parts, obviously. So if you have those two printers, the base is the one that you would be looking at. And then the VORSA is designed to accommodate anything from an F450 and under. It can clean parts off of a 770 or 900, as long as the parts are small enough to fit into the envelope size here. So if you have, F450, 400, or a combination of 370s, 400, 450, any mix there, this is a good solution, basically attaining the same results as you would see in a base, just at a smaller scale.